Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Channels. I'm Anna, and I'm very happy you are here with us today. Let's slow down for a moment. Life can be very fast. School is fast. Work is fast. Messages come all day. But sometimes we stay at home. No plans, no hurry, and that feels good. So today, we continue with our topic, a relaxing day at home. Slow life, simple moments, easy English. And I'm here with my friend. Hi, Peter.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. I feel calm already.
That's nice to hear. How do you feel right now?
Relaxed. Very relaxed. I sit here, I listen.
Perfect. Peter, can you tell us a little about you?
Sure. My name is Peter. I am 19 years old. I am a student.
You study a lot during the week, right?
Yes, I have classes. I have homework. So days at home are special for me. Before we continue, let's say this together. If you like learning English this way, please follow Easy English Channels. You can like this episode, and you can share it with a friend who learns English. Okay, let's continue.
Anna. Peter, let's talk about your relaxing day. Not a school day, not a busy day, just a day at home.
Yes, that is my favorite kind of day.
What time do you wake up on a day like that?
I wake up late, around 9:30.
No alarm?
No alarm. My phone is quiet.
That sounds very peaceful.
Yes, I open my eyes slowly. I stretch my arms.
Do you feel tired?
No, I feel light. I feel free.
Do you get up right away?
No.
I thought so.
I stay in bed for a few minutes. I look at the window. I see the light.
Do you hear sounds?
Yes, birds, cars far away, people walking.
That is a calm way to start the day.
Yes, I like mornings like that.
After that, what do you do?
I get up slowly. I wash my face. I brush my teeth.
Slow morning again.
Always slow.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
Something simple. Bread, milk, sometimes fruit.
Do you eat fast?
No, I sit at the table. I eat slowly.
Do you use your phone while eating?
Sometimes, but not much.
Why not?
I want to enjoy my food.
That is a very good habit. After breakfast, what comes next?
I clean a little.
Only a little?
Yes.
What do you clean?
I make my bed. I clean my desk. I put things away.
How do you feel after that?
Calm. My room feels nice.
Do you open the window?
Yes, fresh air comes in.
That feels good.
Very good.
Do you study on a relaxing day?
A little.
What do you study?
English. I read for 10 minutes.
That is great.
No pressure. Just a little time.
What about lunch?
Lunch is around 12.
Do you eat alone?
No, I eat with my family.
Do you talk?
Yes, we talk about food. We talk about the day.
That sounds warm.
Yes, I like family time.
After lunch, how do you feel?
Sleepy.
Many people feel that way.
So I rest.
Do you sleep?
Sometimes, just a short nap.
How long?
About 20 minutes.
Perfect. After you rest, what do you do?
I watch something.
A movie or a show?
A show. Short episodes.
In English?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Both are okay.
I also listen to music.
Music again.
Yes, soft music, slow music.
That fits the day. Do you stay inside all day?
No, I go outside for a short walk.
Where do you go?
Near my house, around the block.
Do you walk fast?
No, I walk slowly.
What do you see?
Trees, small shops, people with dogs.
Do you enjoy that?
Yes, it clears my mind.
Let's talk about the evening. What time do you eat dinner?
Around 7.
Do you help cook?
A little.
Still honest. After dinner, what do you do?
I sit with my family. We watch TV. We talk.
Do you laugh together?
Yes, sometimes a lot.
Later at night, what do you like to do alone?
I read a book, or I listen to music.
Do you use your phone?
Less than usual.
Why is that?
I want to feel calm. I want to sleep well.
What time do you go to bed? Around 11. How do you feel then? Relaxed.
Ready for sleep.
Let's look back at your day. You wake up late. You eat slowly. You clean a little. You rest a lot. You enjoy small moments.
Yes, simple day. Happy day.
And for our listeners, this is real English for daily life. You can say, I stay at home. I relax. I eat with my family. I watch a show. I go for a walk. One sentence, one idea.
Anna, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Do you like days like this?
Yes, very much.
Me too.
Now let's slow down again. Think about your relaxing day at home. What do you do? Who are you with? How do you feel? You can answer in your mind, or you can write a comment. So today, we talk about a relaxing day at home, slow time, easy life, real English. Here is a simple question for you. What do you like to do on a relaxing day at home? 1 or 2 sentences are perfect. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you, everyone. See you next time.
Bye for now. Take care and keep learning with Easy English channels.